Hello, this is Lee. Today we're doing another police video. We're going to jump right into it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Let me help build this channel up. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it.
While on patrol, an officer conducts a traffic stop on an individual impeding the flow of traffic.
Can you see your license?
I was checking my mailbox, sir.
You were parked right in the middle of the street.
I was checking my mailbox,
You're
sir.
impeding the flow of traffic for that vehicle to follow you. Where's your driver's license?
I just said I was checking my mailbox, sir.
Okay. Well, you're
Okay, you just got mad because I just told you that you're accusing my son of two things. You're not gonna sit here and play with me. No, no, you weren't. You're trying to sit here and play with me, officer. He got me right here. I'm gonna sit here and wait.
Okay, unless it's the flow of traffic of the children walking down there or riding that bike, I don't see him impeding the flow of traffic. It looked like a little back street between houses in a real small neighborhood. But at the same time, it doesn't help her case because she's arguing straight away.
I'm gonna turn my car off. I can turn my car off. I'm gonna turn my car off. I just said I'm gonna turn my car off. I'm about to give you my license in my car. I'm gonna turn my damn car off. You can't stop me.
Yeah, can't you?
No, you can't stop.
I understand fighting for your rights, but just telling people you can't stop me, you challenging them. Why are you trying to escalate it? Why are you trying to escalate the conflict? If you don't want the conflict or you don't want the results of the conflict, don't escalate it.
I mean, from opening my fucking door, that's a traffic ticket there. Give me the fucking ticket.
Give me your license.
Don't play with me.
Give me your license.
Record him. Record him. Fuck out of here. I'm on my way to work. I'm checking my mailbox. You got mail, officer. I don't have to give you anything.
Give me your license. You're gonna go in cuffs.
I'm gonna go on cuffs.
You are.
Where?
Because you're
Where?
failing
I'm
to
not
identify.
under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
You're gonna go in cuffs because you did not identify. Do you want to?
Yeah, I'm identified because you came to my door. Officer, don't grab me. Don't grab me in front of my face. Don't grab me. Do not touch me.
42 stars.
Get back. Don't touch me. I can get out. Do not fucking touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch. You're not gonna touch me. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Don't touch my son. Do not touch my son. Don't touch me like this. Hey, stop doing me like that. Stop touching me. You can call the fucking police from. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Don't touch my son.
Stop.
Don't touch my son.
You're gonna
Don't
get
touch my
You're gonna
son.
get taped.
If she cared about anything, she would be telling her kids to stay out of it. Her son about to get locked up also. I don't know how old he is. He's young, but he's swinging on the cops. You can't be doing that. This is crazy. He about to call for backup.
Do not touch my son no more. Don't touch my son. Stop. Don't touch my son, officer. You doing I will. I will. I'm not under arrest.
Stop right now.
It don't matter. I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
Hey, let her go,
I'm
sir.
not under arrest.
Let her go, bro.
Let me go.
Hey, I said let her go.
Hey, let me go. I don't need
Let
you. Don't
her
need
go.
to.
Yes,
You
yes, I
don't
do.
either.
Let her go.
No,
Yes,
you
I do.
don't.
Back up right now.
Hey, you back up my foot like that.
Now it's at a point, our man is in it. He's hands-on with the cop. This cop is going to end up pulling out a taser or something because it's out of his control right now.
I'm not under arrest.
She in a private property.
Let me go. I'm standing right here. Let me the fuck go. I'm not going nowhere.
Because she needs to
I'm
identify
not
herself.
going nowhere.
She's under arrest right
How
now.
am I under arrest?
Because
That's not the law.
she needs to identify
That's
herself.
not the law.
Stop playing with these folks.
That's not the law.
That's it.
That's not the law.
Hey, move.
That's not the law. I know I got a ticket. I'll give it to you. I would give it to you. Stop
Hey,
saying
hey,
it.
bro, don't push me, bro.
Stop. Stop.
You pull
Stop. I will give you my
put your hands
license.
on me,
Stop.
man.
You
You
get back.
did.
Now.
You harassing a woman and her
You
kids,
did.
man. You better get the fuck. You better go.
Hey,
You better get
the
off.
officer, man.
Stop.
Go.
Stop
Respect
that.
the officer,
I know.
man.
Okay,
All
I
right?
said I
Get your
will.
hands off the officer, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, get your hands off the
I ain't
officer.
going no. I'm stopping
Stop.
this from this
Get your
conversation.
hand off the officer.
I got the officer.
Get your hands off the
The
officer.
officer, come. I'm trying to stop a
Okay, you're not doing that. Get your hands off the officer.
Look, the officer's fine. I'm trying to see
Get
what's
your
going on.
hands out of the officer.
So this random guy came in. I understand what he's doing, but he a little extreme because ain't nobody touching each other. He just screaming, "Get your hands off the officer." I don't know. Sound a little funny to me. But things are in mad chaos. They gonna be back up coming. People are going down. This guy's going down. He don't realize it yet, but he going down.
I ain't touching the officer. Officer's fine.
Okay.
I'm making sure
Get
they
your hands
both
out of the
fine.
officer.
Fine.
I'm making sure they
I'm
both
okay.
fine.
Are you okay?
You hear that? I'm
Are
making sure
you
they both
okay?
fine.
Okay.
Y'all
Get
okay?
out
Okay. But yeah, I'm okay.
I'm
But here's
okay.
the
We're okay.
Hey.
I'm not under
What's she under
arrest.
arrest for though?
Because you're not
I'm not.
identifying.
I will.
Identifying
when you
what?
tell me
Y'all
what I
tripping, bro.
did.
You have a traffic offense
Go.
right now. You're not
How?
identifying.
How? Checking
Turn
my
around.
mailbox?
Turn around.
Checking the mailbox?
Turn around.
Turn
I
around.
didn't do nothing till you touched my 12-year-old kid.
What she did?
He a minor.
What's the problem?
He's
with her?
a minor.
You're impeding
I
right
want
now.
to
You're
get you
about to
arrested
be
for
false, too.
assault.
What's the problem?
You
I'm asking
got
questions
assault
because you
right now
assaulting
on
this
my
woman
child.
right
Let
here.
the officer
You
do
got
his
assault.
job, man. Come on, man.
That's bad. You
Get
got
your hands
assault. Don't
away
touch
from
me.
the officer,
You need
man.
to put your hands behind your back.
No, I don't. No, I'm not
But here's
ready.
the reason I'm here because I'm helping the officer.
The officer pulling over. She
I'm not.
Saw you right up from the window.
I said I will.
Come on, man.
I will. I told you let me turn my shit
Your
off.
driver's license.
I have
Tell him
no
to step back up there.
Here's the reason
Tell
I'm
him
here.
to
Stop
step back up
grabbing
there.
on me. You touched my son too. I will.
Your
Come on,
son
now.
was trying to grab my gun.
No, he's grabbing me. No, he wasn't. He pushed. Get his driver's license.
Get his driver's license.
He will. What you running to my child for? You steady running up on him.
Because he's
Stop
grabbing my
touching.
gun.
Don't play with me. Play with my
You got her
child.
driver's license?
Do not play with me. Play with him. I got
Get your
my
driver's
own
license right
license.
now.
I said I will.
Mom, get
Then
it.
get it.
I will.
Mom, just
I will.
Just get it.
What was you waiting for? To fucking do this.
Just get it.
My words.
I get. Don't touch my baby.
Give me the keys.
I will get my own keys. Get my keys. Get out my car. Get my shit. They not going nowhere. They not going nowhere. That's all I asked you. Let me grab my keys out my car, and you want to do all that? Fuck up out of here.
Just show him the damn ID. So
I
we can get out.
will.
42, everything's
He the one did my baby like that.
I don't know what's going on. All I know is I seen him grabbing on you. Inappropriate.
Mom.
Thank you. That's it.
Let me see that shit.
Now step over here to my car.
To do what?
Step over here to my car.
You took my license.
Right now. Right now.
I
I'm not
will-
going to tell you again.
I will.
What is he doing?
Let it go, man.
Let me my license. Let me
What
go.
that a thing, man?
Let me go.
No.
You let me go. Move. I will. Stop grabbing on me. You ripping my shirt. That's my work shirt. Stop grabbing on me like that. I'm not resisting arrest. Your ass was
Don't
doing
you
it.
rip shit out of me.
Stop. Stop.
Turn around.
Stop grabbing me.
Turn around.
Stop grabbing me.
Turn around.
I showed you my
Where's
license.
your license?
I just gave it to you.
You have
You just
I gave it to you. You're not de-escalating anything. You're not de-escalating. You're escalating me. You're not gonna do that. No. No. Stop grabbing on me like this. I just asked you to stop grabbing on me like this. Stop putting your, I have asthma. Stop putting your elbow in my chest. Stop putting your elbow in my chest, officer. I told you to stop.
Fighting with
I'm
me.
not
It
fighting.
ain't gonna hurt.
I said stop touching me.
Turn around
You
then.
cannot arrest me for no fucking traffic. If it's traffic.
Turn around.
If it's traffic, why are you touching me, officer? Grab somebody else. You're hurting my arm.
Go ahead.
You're hurting my arm. I told you stop putting your hand on my chest. Stop putting my hands on my chest. Stop. Stop. For what?
You're putting your hot
Stop. I can't even breathe on that. Stop. 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 I said I'm sitting here. Stop. Stop touching me. I can't breathe.
Stand up.
I can't breathe.
Cared about them kids, she would be not acting up and having them kids there and they screaming like that. I don't know who the guy is. The guy realized what was going on and stopped messing with it because he seen how she was acting. These kids don't understand. You got these kids up here screaming like they can affect stuff. You gotta teach these young men to be men, to reason stuff out. Screaming and hollering ain't gonna do nothing. So I don't think that man is with them. I think that man just came down there because he seen the cop fighting that woman.
Stand up! That's it!
She gave you the driver's license!
They trying to see what he doing.
She gave you
I got you, man. Officer.
So her kids, the only thing they know is screaming. Anything you gotta get across, you scream like crazy. Don't make a difference.
He fine. Ain't nobody beating on him. He doing something.
Stand up!
Back up.
Can y'all call the ambulance?
Can you keep him
I
away?
have asked for
He's
he
helping
to
me
touch
out.
my son
He
and
needs to stand
everything.
back.
He didn't touch him, he hurt. He
He needs to
hit my
stand up.
son.
He's cool now. He's cool now.
He hit my son.
And she just making
And
up
y'all gotta
stuff.
get that
Stand
dog.
up. I'm not going to
Get
ask you
that
again.
dog. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Get back. Get back. I'm helping the officer.
He's helping me. Stand up.
I can't breathe.
Then have a seat in the air conditioning car.
Come here, guys.
Can I get the white shirt?
Huh?
I need a sergeant white shirt. I need a sergeant
You're
white
going to
shirt.
get hot sitting next to my car. Stand up. You're under arrest right now.
Now I'm under arrest.
Yes.
For
You
trying-
were under arrest when I told you in your fight with me.
No, you fought on my son, sir. You grabbed my
Your
baby.
son was
That's
grabbing
why
my gun.
No, he did not.
Yes, he
tried to
was.
push you off his mom. No, he did not.
Stand up.
I'm gonna sue the child. Let him blame me. Let him blame me.
Where's your ID?
Get out my pocket. Put my cards back in my purse, officer.
She had
Put
an ID. She ripped it out of my
No,
hands.
I gave it to you and you tried to cite it from me.
She has your ID?
No, he
No,
has
she
my.
had- she
Can
has
he
an
get
ID.
out
I
my
know where it
pocket
is.
and put my credit cards back in my wallet, officer?
Where'd you rip your ID? Where'd it go?
Officer, can you? You ripped my work shirt. I can't breathe. All this for nothing. Cause you had
came out
an
to help
ego.
her?
He didn't help me. He
started
came.
this thing?
He didn't touch you. He didn't
Not right
touch
now.
you.
Trying to grab my gun
Grab your gun. Or he tried to push you off his mom.
for a simple traffic offense? Come
He
on.
came up to me, officer, trying to violate my rights.
Where's your ID?
For a traffic ticket.
Just hang on
For
one
a
second.
traffic ticket. You said I stopped in the traffic because I checked my mailbox because you came to my door and you got offended because I you accusing my son of one thing or two things.
No, you're yelling profanities at kids.
No, I did not. I asked you, I hope you're telling them. I hope I'm telling you the truth. Exactly what the fuck he was doing. Go back to the house. Don't play with my kids like this motherfucker did. He's a fucking kid. Get that dog away from me. Get the fucking dog away from me. You all this for shit, officer.
Hey,
This is your
Forrest.
ego, Mr.
Can we throw him in
Patterson. Get the fuck up out of here.
Who can we put her in temporarily?
It's just some bullshit. You wrong, officer, and you know it. And I'm not going. I'm not doing like that. You put your hand on my chest.
Can you do me a favor and just do a beer sweep? I got it. Yeah. You good?
Shit on me. Can you go get my tape measure for work?
I got it right here. Right here. Got it for you.
You buy me a new shirt. It's $25. You buy me a new shirt?
No.
Cause you know what you did. All these males, where the fuck the female at?
Have a seat.
Where's the female?
Just relax. Just have a seat, okay?
I can't even breathe.
So at this point, she about to start crying. Whenever it gets to this point, they feel they know they can't leave or fight. Then they start asking for comfort. Where's a female? I want a female. I feel more comfortable with female. She almost threw all this. All the aggression has been going out. She's been yelling and screaming and fighting. She can't fight no more. She about to release emotionally.
Hey, can you get my
You want an ambulance?
Yeah, I do.
Before you start an ambulance for respiratory
My
issues.
fucking head all in my chest.
Just have a seat, okay? Let's get an air conditioning. Have a seat. All right?
All this for the boy. It was this ego. I stopped at my mailbox. He just left my house asking about a stolen bike. I said my son ain't got nobody. He been in the house all day. Every time something happen, any officer that know me, they say, well, my baby did it. Every time something go on in the neighborhood, my baby did it.
Come back here.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer, disorderly conduct, and obstructing justice.
Okay, so what do you think? We gotta do better. We gotta do better. I don't know what initially started. She was saying something about he came to the house, they got into it then, and so he was waiting for her there. Either way, if your license is good, give him your license. I don't know what happened with the license, but your actions elevated all that tension. So even if he didn't want to do anything, your actions kind of push him to the point where he's gonna do something. And then the kids trying to grab the gun or at least swinging on him. I seen the kids going around to his side, so maybe they were trying to grab the gun. The man that came in and wanted to put his hands on the cop, all of that added to the situation. And if the mom would have stayed calm, the kids would have stayed calm. So a lot of these situations, whatever situation you're in, whether your license suspended or something like that, you can't control that. But your interactions and your reaction to the way the cop comes off, that's totally up to you. Control yourself and you get better results. Anyway, you give me your feedback on what you think. This is Lee. Show is Watch With Me. And I'll see you in the next video.